Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to make money with Clickbank affiliate marketing, and specifically how to convert your traffic into sales. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and how to have freedom and choices to do what you love. And if those are topics of interest to you, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. And if you're returning to the channel, I appreciate you guys for your support. So let's go ahead and get into it. What makes people buy from you? I mean, what makes people like you? That is key to selling, is to figure out how can you become what Russell Brunson calls an attractive character. There's 4 different ways. The first way is to tell your backstory and to tell some of the pain that you've been through in your life so people can relate to you. Because if you're just, people can spot someone who's just trying to sell them something and somebody who's really trying to be genuine and connect with their audience and help people. So that's the first thing, is to tell your backstory. The second is to tell parables. So you can relate stories in your life to business, and then you can tell that to your audience, and they can relate to the same type of thing maybe that you've been through. The third thing is character flaws. We've all had challenges and just different things that have happened in our lives, and when we can relate that, tell that to our audience, they can have that relatability factor, that they can really connect with you and know what you've been through because they're going through the same thing. And then the fourth thing is polarity, and that is a great example is Howard Stern. You either hate him or you love him. There's no in between. And so what I want to say to you on that is just be yourself. Don't worry if people don't like you. You're going to have haters along the way. Just be a genuine person and go out there and have the intent of helping people. Most people have the intent of making money, which is fine, but what you want to do first is give value, and then people will start to trust you and like you. And all the great marketers out there, that's what they do. They just give value, and then people just naturally start to follow them, like them, and trust them. And I don't know about you, but I buy from people that I like. And that's just that likability factor. And as Gary Vee said, give so much value that people feel guilty for not buying from you. So that's just a way that you can connect with your audience and convert your traffic into sales, and how to make money with Clickbank affiliate marketing. And I'm going to give you one mindset tip. I've studied personal development for 25 years and how to program the subconscious mind for success. So I'm going to say that this is often overlooked in affiliate marketing, but you need to write down your goal, a specific goal, and put it on a goal card. I have mine laminated. Keep it with you everywhere you go, and refer to it several times throughout the day, and then close your eyes and just picture yourself having achieved that goal. This comes from Earl Nightingale, also from Bob Proctor. That is key to achieving your goals. You have to be very specific, and then you have to refer to it several times throughout the day. So that's, excuse me, that's my tips for today. If you found value from this, go ahead and click the like button, give me a thumbs up, and I'd also like to hear any comments that you have as far as what you think allows somebody to connect with their audience and have that likability factor. And again, click the subscribe button if you haven't already, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye now.